Caryn Elaine Johnson, professionally known as Whoopi Goldberg, is an American actor, comedian, author, and television personality. She was born on 13th of November in 1955. Today she is celebrating her birthday of 69 years. She has received many accolades including an Emmy Award, Grammy Award, Academic Award, a Tony Award, and collectively known as the EGOT. In 2001, she received the Mark Twain Prize for American Humor. Goldberg began her career on stage in 1983 with her one-woman show, Spooky Show, which transferred to Broadway under the title Whoopi Goldberg, running from 1984 to 1985. She won a Grammy Award for Best Comedian Album for the recording of the show. Her film breakthrough came in 1985 with her role as Cecil, a mistreated woman in the Deep South, in Steven Spielberg's period drama film The Color Purple, for which she won the Golden Globe Award for Best Actress in a Motion Picture Drama. For her role as Physics in the romantic fantasy film Ghost, released in 1990, she won Academic Award for Best Supporting Actress. Goldberg has also won Daytime Emmy Award for Outstanding Talk Show Host. She has hosted the Academy Award ceremony 4 times. Some of movies she acted in are Sister Act 2, Jumpin' Jack Flash, Clara's Heart, Soapdish, Ghost of Mississippi, Tear, The Lion King, Toy Story 3, Star Trek The Next Generation, Star Trek Picard, and many more. Wishing happy birthday to Whoopi Goldberg. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any suggestion, write to the comment. Thank you. Have a nice day. Following information was posted on Wikipedia. Uyu munsi isabukuru y'amavuko ya Caryn Elaine Johnson wamenyekanye ku mazina nka Whoopi Goldberg. Yavutse tariki 13 z'ukwa 11 1955. Umunsi w'isabukuru y'imyaka 69. Akaba ari umunyamerika w'umukinnyi w'amafilime, akaba akina komedi, akaba umwanditsi ndetse akaba akora no kuri televiziyo. Yegukanye ibihembo byinshi birimo Emmy Award, Grammy Award, Academic Award ndetse na Tony Award. Mu mwaka wa 2001 yabonye ishimwe ryitwa Mark Twain Prize for American Humor kubw'imirimo ye yo gusetsa abantu. Goldberg yatangiye by'amafilime akina ku rubyiniro. Atangira muri filime yitwa Spooky Show. Yakinwe kuva mu mwaka w'1984 kugera mu mwaka w'1985. Nyuma yaho yakinye muri filime nka The Color Purple, akina muri Sister Act ya kabiri, Jumpin' Jack Flash, Clara's Heart, Soapdish, Tear, The Lion King, Toy Story n'izindi nyinshi. Ndetse akina no muri filime z'uruhererekane nka Star Trek The Next Generation, Star Trek Picard na The View. Kuri izo filime yabonye ishimwe rya Daytime Emmy Award for Outstanding Talk Show Host. Akoze kubana nanjye, hari itekerezo cyangwa inyunganizi wanyandikira muri comment. Ntibagiwe kandi like na subscribe.